Working on a long-term project with Claude AI. Claude projects help you organize conversations, upload reference files, and keep related chats together so Claude has the context it needs across your work. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI projects in 2026, so let's get started. First, sign in to your Claude AI account. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the Projects section in the sidebar. If you don't see projects, make sure the feature is available for your account. Next, click New Project and give your project a descriptive name. You can also add a short description to explain what the project is about. Choosing a clear name makes it easier to organize multiple projects. Now upload any documents or reference files you want Claude to use throughout the project. You can also add project instructions that tell Claude how you'd like it to respond. Providing background information helps Claude give more relevant answers. Open your new project and start a conversation. Claude will use the uploaded files and project instructions as context while responding to your questions. Take a moment to ask your first project-related question. Keep all related conversations inside the same project so your files, instructions, and chats stay organized. You can also upload additional documents whenever your project grows. Organizing similar work into one project can save you time later. Rename projects, update instructions, replace files, or create additional projects whenever you begin working on a new topic. So you've successfully learned how to use Claude AI projects. And that's how to use Claude AI projects. Whether you're managing research, writing, coding, business documents, or personal work, projects help keep everything organized while giving Claude the context it needs to provide better responses. The more organized your projects are, the easier it becomes to collaborate with Claude over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.